How to create customizable product on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can build products that are customizable by your clients or by your customers. And those kinds of products are pretty easy to create. A lot of people don't realize that they have the ability to do so. This can include writing their initials, changing a few colors, and more. And you can build these customizable products on your Shopify store. They can be a great way for your customers to feel more incorporated and to personalize their items. So, to be able to create customizable products, we can go into Kickflip. Now, Kickflip is a tool that is made specifically to build customized products, and you can get started on Kickflip for free. So, in the same browser, just open up your Shopify dashboard and open up gokickflip.com. Once you do that, click on Start Free Trial on the top right over here. And once you do that, you want to enter your email address. I'm just going to insert my email over here. And then you can go with a secure password like so. And then you can go with your customizer URL. So I'm going to go with glitter and gold. And then I'm just going to click on create account to complete my account registration on Kickflip. Now from here we have our basic onboarding. So we're just going to enter our name, then our website. I'm just going to skip all of these. And then let's say I want to build clothing and accessories. Now, once you have built your Kickflip account, what you want to do is go into Shopify on the left panel. Once you go into Shopify, click on Settings on the bottom left, and then click on Apps and Sales Channels again on the bottom left. Then on the top right, just open up your Shopify App Store. And once you open up your Shopify App Store, you want to download Kickflip once more. So just search for Kickflip over here, and we will find it like right over here. So we have it on the right side. And you guys will see that the developer should be Kickflip. It's Kickflip customized product. And you're just going to click on install and complete the Shopify installation of Kickflip. So in a new tab, you just have your basic installation. So we're just going to wait for this to show up and then just click on install over here to complete our Kickflip installation. Now, this will automatically ask you whether or not you want to connect to this particular Shopify account. So we're going to click on connect to glitter and gold on Kickflip as we've already logged on using the same browser. And once you do that, you can get started with building your own customizable product. So to get started, we're going to go into the My Product section on the top left and then click on Product on the right panel. Now, from here, what we're going to do is we are going to click on the top left, and then you can put in your input style. You have a display type. You have a few different questions that you can ask with your particular builder as well. So let's say we want a drop down, and then we can add image and then click on create. And then you can always choose the particular image that you want. So first off, we're just going to add our product to our cart first, going into product, taking one of the sample products over here. This is just a sample product, but as you guys can see on the right, we have the hat color, the hat base. Now from here, you can see that we have, a bunch of different color options, feather options as well. And then you can click on add to cart over here, and you can add this product, as a product on your own store. For this, we can click on use as template to make this a bit easier. And then we can choose the appearance that we want. So we can pick out the general appearance we want, the different variants we want to offer. Let's say I offer my variants in white, black, and brown, and I can remove maroon from here. I can remove tan from here. And then on the left, let's say I want to add something else as well. So let's say I want to put in text, and this is going to be a second type of text, and then click on create. I can choose the placement of this text over here, and I'm just going to place this text like this across the hat, and then people can put in your name like this. This is going to be my placeholder text, and people can insert their name on the front of their hats as well. Now, once you have completed that, you can see on the top panel, you have pricing options. So you have your base price, and then you can also choose to display taxes. Let's say you also have some extra prices, which are non-published questions and answers that won't be available. So if you want a separate feather, then the feather is going to be no thanks. Then we're going to charge $0. Then I can add a feather, and if it's a short pheasant feather, I want to add $4. And then for another price, the feather, and then if it's a long pheasant feather, it's $7. I'll just click on add. And then for the same thing for a ostrich feather, let's say it's $10. Like this, I have added a certain extra price to my product for this particular type of field. So if someone does not want a feather, they are not charged extra. Now, let's say I want to base my price as $90, and then I can click on save on the right. Now, just like that, your inventory or your item will be published into your store. We can click on connect over here. And then in a couple of seconds, you can go back into your Shopify dashboard to be able to see your product. So you guys can see my product is now ready and it's published on Shopify. If I click on preview on online store over here, this is going to display our product. So I'll just wait for our product to be displayed. It might take a couple of seconds for our product to show up. Now, just like that, our product is now ready, and then I can choose the color that I want, the buckle color, the strap color, and then you will see the feather options. They have different price points available. And then we have the bead colors, and like that, I can insert initials. We have the sizes as well. Now, in this way, you can build any kind of product you want on Kickflip, and it's very easy to do. You can click on add product over here to get started from scratch, and your product will appear over here. Then you have your edition options. You have different sections which can enable you to create more customizations. Now, you will see you have your product views. So you have one view, two views, and then on the left you have layers and then questions. And then if you want a particular customization available, you can add that as well. Now, for our customized product, let's say I want to go ahead and I'll just go into this panel and I'll just upload an image. And from here, you will just have a blank image that you can insert. Now, we are going to build based upon different sections, and I will just go on ahead and I will insert the product image from here. So let's say we have this as our product, and I'll just open this up, and let's say people can insert a name or they can enter their own initials or a pet name. So I can click on the plus icon on the top left, and then I will click on over here, which might be text. So let's say I'm going to remove this, but then I'm going to click on create question, and the question is going to be about the text input, and it's going to be shown on the product. And then I'll just click on create, and this would be inserted on the plushie right over here, which is going to be the name of your plushie. So the placeholder text, I will say name of plushie like this, and then I'll just increase, I think I'm going to increase the size of the placeholder text a little, and then just move it to the side over here like this. So once I've done that, I can click on publish on the top right, and just like that, you can offer simple customization and branding options on your pre-existing product on Shopify as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.